Okay, and that's it for that. Okay. Delete a file, delete a file, delete a file. To delete a file, you must import the OS module and run its os.remove parentheses function. Okay. OS module is basically the CEO. CEO with CEO privileges, CEO with CEO privileges, CEO with CEO privileges, CEO with CEO privileges. And import means just calling, calling, calling. Calling the boss, calling the worker, calling Bob. Okay? And os.remove means get the CEO to remove somebody. Get the CEO to remove somebody. Get the CEO to remove somebody. And this is a function. os.remove is a function. Hold up. os.remove is a function. os.remove is a function. os.remove is a function. Actually, to be specific, remove parentheses is a function. Remove parentheses is a function. Remove parentheses is a function. Okay. Remove the file demo file.txt. Okay. So call in the boss os, import os.remove, CEO remove privileges, CEO remove privileges, CEO remove privileges, demo file.txt. Okay, so fire demo file.txt or remove demo file.txt. Fire demo file.txt. All right. Check if file exists. Check if file exists. Check if file exists. To avoid getting an error, you might want to check if the file exists before you try deleting it. So if you like make an order to remove somebody and they're not there, you're gonna get an error. And yeah, that's basically the analogy. All right, check if the file exists, then delete it. All right, import os. Call in the boss. If the boss is if hold on, let me just read it regular. If os.path.exists, demo file.txt. Demo file.txt. os.remove demo file.txt. Else print the file does not exist. Okay, so real quick, hold on. Okay, I'm just have to read this regular. Okay, so bring in os, bring in os, bring in os. If os.path, path is literally procedure exists. Within the operating system, and within the path, does it exist? Okay, so within the big building, within the department, does this exist? Within the big building, within the department, does this exist? Within the big building, within the department, does this exist? And does demo file exist in this department? Does demo file exist in this department, in this building? Alright, and then os privileges.remove demo file.txt. Else, if it doesn't exist, no exists, then print the file doesn't exist. Real quick, alright, if demo file exists, then remove demo file.txt. And if it doesn't exist, then put to the screen it doesn't exist. Report it doesn't exist, report it doesn't exist, report it doesn't exist. Okay, delete folder. To delete an entire folder, use the os.remove directory method. RM stands for remove directory, which basically stands for remove folder. Exactly like Microsoft Word, just take out a folder. And of course, this is remove directory is a method. Remove directory is a method. All right, remove the folder, my folder. Import operating system privileges, and within the operating system, remove the directory my folder, or use the CEO privileges to remove directory my folder. And sometimes, hold up, there's going to be analogies that sound completely different but kind of mean the same thing. Like like you can think of the operating system as a place or as a person, or a place or as a person. And then within that, remove directory command, or remove directory privileges, remove directory privilege. So sometimes you just gotta have like two different analogies, and some things can like literally be two things, and that's it. Like, hold up. All right, I'm running out of time. I'm not gonna have enough time to explain that. All right, you can only remove empty folders. So a folder has to be empty. If it has something in it, if there's still an employee in there, then they can't use the bug spray. Still an employee in there, you can't